Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at one of the most outrageous, futuristic, and luxurious vehicles imagined for the road in 2026. What you're seeing here is a Lamborghini-inspired ultra-luxury motorhome concept, a rolling mansion that blends hypercar DNA with private jet-level comfort. This is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of power, design, and extreme lifestyle. From the very first glance, the exterior screams Lamborghini. The sharp angles, aggressive lines, and stealthy matte gray finish combined with gold accents instantly remind you of Lamborghini's supercar design language. The front fascia looks bold and futuristic, with slim LED lighting that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. The massive windshield offers a panoramic view while maintaining an aggressive stance, making this motorhome look more like a futuristic spaceship than a traditional RV. The gold Lamborghini branding and intricate detailing along the body panels elevate the luxury even further, giving it a bespoke, limited edition feel. The side profile is where things get truly insane. This motorhome features a multi-level layout, complete with a full upper deck terrace. Yes, an open-air lounge on top of the vehicle. The integrated staircase on the side is not just functional but beautifully designed, with illuminated steps that glow at night. Large panoramic glass panels wrap around the vehicle, allowing natural light to flood the interior while also showcasing the luxury inside to the outside world. The wheels are custom designed, large and bold, perfectly proportioned for such a massive vehicle, yet still maintaining Lamborghini's sporty attitude. Moving inside, the interior feels more like a 5-star luxury penthouse than a motorhome. The moment you step in, you're greeted by premium materials everywhere. We're talking carbon fiber accents, handcrafted leather upholstery, gold trim details, and ambient LED lighting that changes colors to match your mood. The layout is open, spacious, and incredibly modern, designed to make you forget you're even on the road. The main lounge area features plush sofa seating with a minimalist yet futuristic design. There's a large digital entertainment wall, likely an ultra-high-definition display, perfect for movies, gaming, or even business meetings. The floor appears to be finished in polished wood or high-end composite materials, adding warmth and elegance to the space. Smart glass panels can shift from transparent to opaque at the touch of a button, giving you privacy whenever you want. The kitchen area is fully equipped and surprisingly luxurious. Expect high-end appliances, hidden storage, a sleek induction cooktop, and premium countertops. Everything is seamlessly integrated, maintaining a clean and futuristic look. This is a kitchen designed not just for cooking, but for entertaining guests in style. The bedroom area is nothing short of spectacular. A king-size bed with premium leather finishes, soft ambient lighting, and panoramic windows creates a hotel suite experience on wheels. Storage is cleverly hidden, maximizing space without clutter. The bathroom feels like a luxury spa, featuring a modern shower, premium fixtures, and designer finishes that rival high-end apartments. Now let's talk about performance, because even though this is a motorhome, the Lamborghini spirit demands power. While official specs would depend on final production, a 2026 concept like this would likely feature a high-performance hybrid or fully electric powertrain. We could be looking at a twin-motor electric setup delivering massive torque for smooth and effortless cruising, despite the vehicle's size. Advanced suspension systems would ensure a comfortable ride, adapting automatically to road conditions. Expect cutting-edge driver assistance systems, autonomous driving features, and advanced safety technology, making long-distance travel both relaxing and secure. Despite its massive size, maneuverability would be enhanced by rear-wheel steering and intelligent drive modes. Whether you're cruising highways, navigating city roads, or parking at exclusive destinations, this motorhome would feel surprisingly refined and controlled. Now let's talk about price, because this is where things get truly elite. A Lamborghini-inspired luxury motorhome like this in 2026 would not be for everyone. Estimated pricing could easily range from $3 million to over $10 million, depending on customization, powertrain, and interior options. This is not just a vehicle you buy, it's a personalized masterpiece built for ultra-high net worth individuals who want exclusivity, luxury, and attention wherever they go. In conclusion, this 2026 Lamborghini luxury motorhome concept redefines what travel on wheels can be. It combines supercar-inspired design, extreme luxury, futuristic technology, and unmatched presence. It's not about practicality, it's about lifestyle, prestige, and pushing boundaries. If Lamborghini ever decides to bring something like this to life, it would instantly become the most desirable motorhome on the planet. Let me know what you think about this rolling mansion, and would you ever live the road life in something like this?